Equis Capital Finance, guiding clients with clarity, confidence, and capital. In an industry often dominated by institutional goals and impersonal processes, Equis Capital Finance has emerged as a refreshing alternative. Equis has been intentionally designed to combine sophisticated financial structuring with a boutique, client-first approach. The firm has gained a significant number of clients who are owners and developers of shopping malls, retail developments, multifamily residential complexes, and industrial properties due to its high success rate and accessibility. From corporate finance to construction, Equis is renowned for its ability to arrange finances across a wide range of capabilities. Equis has a robust network of investors and lenders throughout North America and international markets, having facilitated cross-border transactions and multinational funding strategies, and has established itself as a reliable source for short and long-term financing negotiations. Their wide range and distinctive approach enable them to serve small, medium, and large businesses with equal success and yield positive outcomes. The inspiration behind the establishment. The inspiration behind Equis Capital Finance stemmed from a simple but powerful realization. Small and mid-market businesses, especially those in niche or emerging sectors, were underserved by traditional financing institutions. Angelo Butsianis, the president and CEO of Equis Capital Finance, is a seasoned professional with extensive experience across capital markets and financial consulting. He saw a critical gap between what clients needed and what they were being offered. Angelo claims that too many great projects have been misunderstood or ignored. He explains that Equis was founded to bridge that gap through transparency, creativity, and dedication. A distinctive strategy that sets it apart. Equis Capital Finance is not just about capital, it is about counsel. Equis Capital Finance works closely with business owners, developers, and entrepreneurs to structure funding solutions tailored to their specific requirements. Whether it is asset-based lending, contract financing, commercial mortgages, or structured debt solutions, clients benefit from deep market knowledge and a hands-on approach. In addition to domestic deals, Equis routinely supports international transactions, especially for clients entering or expanding into the US, Latin America, and European markets that's rare in today's financial services landscape. Angelo observes that clients want more than just a loan. They want a financial partner who understands the big picture: business strategy, risk, timing, and capital structure. Angelo assures that Equis is one such firm that clients can trust to handle these complicated procedures for them. Various solutions offered by Equis Capital Finance delivers a robust suite of services, including debt advisory, structured financial solutions, and consulting support. The firm specializes in commercial real estate loans, land acquisition, development, and construction, business expansion and working capital loans, cannabis and gaming sector financing, contract and cash flow financing, equipment and asset-backed lending, bridge and mezzanine financing, private placement coordination, and capital introductions. In addition to core services, Equis also provides cross-border advisory, foreign debt sourcing, and multi-jurisdictional financing structures for clients expanding globally. Innovative initiatives on the horizon. Among the firm's most innovative initiatives is its fully integrated deal execution model. From intake and due diligence to financial structuring and lender negotiation, Equis acts as both a strategic advisor and execution partner. This streamlining of services dramatically improves speed to funding and transparency for clients. In addition, the firm is expanding its presence in key Canadian markets like Moncton and Montreal, where each location is strategically selected to enhance regional access to capital, redefining client satisfaction. Delivering seamless service is not just a buzzword at Equis, it's a system. Clients are onboarded through a structured process that includes detailed financial analysis, risk evaluation, lender mapping, and milestone tracking. Angelo states that each transaction is managed with the same discipline as a large investment bank would apply to a major deal. He adds that they, as a financial firm, offer the same scale of service with the accessibility and personal service of a boutique shop. Angelo asserts that client retention and referrals are more important indicators of client satisfaction than just closing deals. He remarks that the trust of his clients, which is the currency they operate in, is his company's greatest asset. Obstacles in the financial sector. The financial industry continues to wrestle with market volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and tightening lending standards. However, for Angelo and his team, these are not obstacles. Instead, they are opportunities. Adaptability is the key to success, according to Angelo. He goes on to say that Equis views every client as a case study for customization rather than adhering to strict guidelines or procedures. Role of Equis Capital Finance in the financial ecosystem. By cultivating a diverse network of lenders, from alternative funds and private credit firms to institutional sources, Equis is able to structure capital in environments where others see roadblocks. Equis Capital Finance sees itself not just as a lender liaison, but as an ecosystem builder. Angelo states that his firm's work fuels economic growth as they aid in companies moving to the next level, communities to build infrastructure, and entrepreneurs bring ideas to life. He adds that they play a critical role in helping capital flow to places where it can make a real difference. Looking ahead, the firm is exploring fintech integrations, expanding cross-border capital access through established partnerships in international finance hubs such as New York, London, and Toronto. This enables the firm to facilitate financing in multiple currencies and regulatory environments, offering global sophistication with local execution and building proprietary lender matching tools that leverage AI for deal structuring. Essential principles and core values. At its core, Equis is guided by 5 principles: integrity, expertise, accountability, innovation, and partnership. These values are not just corporate mantras, they are embedded into every client interaction and team decision. Angelo says that as a company, Equis always speaks the truth with the client, even when it is difficult. He adds that honesty is the very reason they are called back again and again. Angelo Butsianis, leader with a vision. Angelo Butsianis leads not from behind a desk, but from the front lines. Whether he's negotiating terms, reviewing models, or advising clients directly, he brings presence and precision to every conversation. His leadership style is marked by transparency, mentorship, and decisiveness. Angelo states that responsibility comes along with leadership, and the main task as a leader is to remove obstacles and build confidence. He goes on to comment that in this particular line of business, the word that comes from a leader and the work ethic followed by a company determines everything. He believes in that ideal and affirms that is the culture that shapes values at Equis. With a number of projects in the works and innovative plans underway, Equis Capital Finance is establishing a reputation for itself in the financial industry. Company name: Equis Capital Finance. President and CEO: Angelo Butsianis. Website: www.equisfinance.com. Email: info@equisfinance.com.